Hi guys, my name is Shubal Fengde and today video topic is Spring Mapping. Spring Mapping is a core concept in web development. In web development that is used to link a URL to a specific piece of code that will handle the request and generate a response. It in the context of Spring Boot, mapping is achieved through the use of annotations. Annotations are way to add metadata to code that can be used by the framework to configure the application at runtime. The most common annotations used for mapping in Spring Boot is request mapping, which is applied to a method in a controller class and specifies the URL pattern that the method should handle. The request mapping annotation can be used to specify a wide range of attributes that the control how method should handle the request. For example, you can specify the HTTP method that the method should handle get, post, put, delete, etc. There are the mapping annotations as well as request parameters, headers, and more. You can also use the request mapping annotations to specify multiple URL patterns that the method should handle using the value attributes. Then Java request mapping, the syntax of request mapping: value is equal to in curly bracket hello, comma, in double quote hi, public string say hello, return hello world. In this example, the say hello method is mapped to different URL patterns, hello and hi. When a user makes a request to either of the URL, Spring Boot will execute the say hello method and return the string hello world. Another useful annotation for mapping is path variable. Path variable, this is annotations to use extract a variable from a URL and pass it is as parameter to the handler method. For example, if you have a URL pattern like user slash id, you can use path variable to extract the id parameter from the URL and pass it to the handler method. The syntax of mapping: uh, get mapping in bracket user in curly bracket id, public user, get user at direct path variable long id, the code to retrieve user from database. In addition to the request mapping and path variables, annotations are in Spring Boot. Thank you.